Brittany. I am a project manager in the mechanical department. I have worked full-time for about 7 years, but I started out as an intern in 2017. I had a mentor who was a project manager with Waldinger while I was in the ACE mentor program in high school. He introduced me to the industry and gave me a tour of the Bell Avenue office, and I was sold. Being able to see how our work is changing our community is really the best part.
Allyson Robertson, project coordinator. Been here since July of last year. My husband's a superintendent here, and we have a daughter who is going to get married in October in North Carolina, so there's a lot of planning going on with that. It changes day to day and month to month, so it's interesting to see from the beginning to where we are now. I think our safety lunches that we have once a month, just to see all the workers that are involved in this project and the camaraderie that they have together.
Christina McCormick, and I am a project coordinator for Project Kansas. I've been with Waldinger a little under a year and a half now. I like the people, and I really like working on site and being face to face with the field team along with the office team. I have one little boy who is 13, and I have my longtime boyfriend Josh. Kelly Cooper and Brandon Erdman and Jordan has also helped me. The people, the culture, it's fun. I love coming to work every day.